Go to the tab Settings, located at the left bottom of the sidebar, and then click Time Clock in order to manage time clock settings. Global Settings. Employee can manually add time clocks. This allows employees to manually add their own timesheets. Employee can edit time clocks. This will allow employees to edit their own timesheets. Lock time clocking to specified locations. This will prevent off-location clocking in, out. Limits. Allow staff to clock in within period of shift start. Define a parameter. This would allow staff to only clock in within the set parameter of their shift start time. Allow staff to clock out within a period of shift end. This would allow staff to only clock out within the set parameter of their shift time. Breaks. Enable Break button. This will allow your staff to record when they take their break times. Rounding. Round time clocks, total time, to nearest. This will round the selected timelines to the end total. Round clock-in times up to nearest. This will round clock-in times to the nearest of whatever parameters you have set. Round clock-out times to nearest. This will round clock-out time to the nearest of whatever parameters you have set. Note: manually added time clock, time punches are rounded off according to the values you set in this section. Alerts. Alert when someone hasn't clocked in for their shift after X minutes. Managers will be notified of late clock-ins. Alert when someone hasn't clocked out from their shift after X minutes. Managers will be notified of late clockouts. Feel free to contact us at info@humanity.com or dial our toll-free number 1-877-993-8682. We will be happy to assist you.